Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making a Christmas memory.
Hey guys, today is going to be my last video in my 12 Days of Vlogmas series, and I'm going to be showing you how to make these easy red velvet cake balls. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video to see some real life behind the scenes moments. So to make these cake balls, you're going to need some kind of sprinkles or however you want to decorate them, some almond bark. You'll need some icing and then a cake mix, and in this case I'm using red velvet with cream cheese icing. And you're going to bake your cake per the instructions on the box. I've already done that. And then you're going to need some wax paper to lay everything out on once they're done. Once you've baked your cake and it's cooled down, you're just going to put it into a large bowl and crumble it up with your hands to make sure it's all crumbled up nicely. Now you're going to take your frosting and you're going to pour the entire container into your cake mix. You can also substitute the cake mix and icing for crushed Oreos and cream cheese to make more of a truffle, but since I had the cake mix and icing on hand, that's what I'm using today. And this is the part that gets really messy. Once everything is mixed together well, you're going to form them into small balls and put those onto your wax paper. I would suggest washing your hands periodically during this process. The more cake mixture that sticks to your hands, the harder it is to roll the balls. Now here I'm just transferring all the balls onto a cake pan. And once I have filled up the cake pan, I'm going to stick these in the freezer for approximately 30 minutes, just so they can kind of harden up. Now while those are in the freezer, you're going to go ahead and take your almond bark and melt that. So you will put that in a microwave safe bowl and stick that in the microwave per the instructions on the package. And now we are ready to coat our red velvet cake balls with our melted white chocolate. I find that the easiest way to do this is to take a toothpick, stick it into your cake ball, and then dip that into your white chocolate while using the spoon to coat it with the mixture. Once it's completely covered, you're just going to set it on your wax paper and then top it with whatever kind of sprinkles you choose. Once you put your sprinkles on, you're just going to leave these on the wax paper until the chocolate hardens, and then they are all done and ready to be eaten. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and since no recipe turns out smoothly in my house, here are some bloopers for you to enjoy, and I will see you guys next year. Merry Christmas! This is like a disaster of a video. Oh.